Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Ups again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete WhatsApp messages. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to delete WhatsApp messages, let's open up our WhatsApp app first. And after opening your WhatsApp app, you can see all your messages over here like this. Now if you want to delete one of your messages or chats, simply tap and hold on the chat or the conversation or the message you want to delete, and after that you can see all the options appear over here on the top of the screen when we select one of those options, or when we tap and held one of the chats. Now if you want to delete it, simply tap on the delete icon or the dumpster icon on the top of your screen like this, and you can see delete chat option available over here. Tap on delete chat and you can see that chat has been deleted. And there guys, this is how you delete messages on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.